Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Shamika Lachey's Effect, where you can catch my vibes and where I can only be me. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and share this video, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys can be notified each time that I upload a video, because you guys do not want to miss out with what I'm doing on my channel. So let's get into the video for today.
Welcome to Shamika Lachey's Effect. Y'all ready to catch my vibes?
For today's video, we are going to be making the viral TikTok grinder salad, but we're going to turn it into a sandwich, because basically it's the salad for the sub or the sandwich that you're going to make. So let's get into the ingredients. You can always put your spin on this recipe, but today for the ingredients, here's what I'm going to be using. The shredded lettuce, you got your banana peppers, that's these back here. I also have my mayo. I have ranch seasoning, oregano, crushed red peppers, Italian season, of course your salt and your pepper. And I also have my garlic basil vinaigrette, my Italian dressing, and also red wine vinaigrette. Okay, you guys, I'm about to start putting everything in a bowl. I'm not doing no specific measurements. I will know when it's to my liking. Like I said, you can pretty much tweak this recipe to your own liking, but there's no specific manner. You have to put all this in a bowl. So I'm gonna start with the mayonnaise. I don't really like mayonnaise like that, you guys, so I'm putting the mayonnaise in a bowl, like enough. I'm probably going to use actually half of this small thing of mayonnaise, you guys. Yeah, I'm going to just use half. Okay. Our red wine. Italian seasoning. Like a lot, y'all, but trust me, it's not gonna be a lot once I put the lettuce and the banana peppers in there. Crushed red peppers. I'm not a hot person, so I'm only put a little bit of that. A little bit of salt. I'm not gonna put a lot of salt, you guys. I'm putting all my seasonings in first, you guys, so. Banana peppers, you guys, so I'm adding this with the juice. And with a little bit of juice, you guys. I used a whole small bag, you guys. Here is the salad up close, you guys. See, I love my stuff messy. This is how I love mine. You can do however you want to do it, but this is how I love my salads. This is what's going on the salad, you guys. But that's it for the grinder. If you want less than what I did, then that's how you do it. But this is how I like it, you guys. And here's that grinder salad on top of a French bread sandwich. Don't that look so good, y'all?